Morning everyone, this is going to be the first video on acrylic colors. I have never used acrylic colors before, so I'm going to use a very simple reference over here. It is an orange with two leaves, and I'm going to use acrylic color. I have no idea how to use acrylic color, and if it becomes this drawing is like not up to your liking or something like that, please forgive me. I will have to say that, but I know only this about acrylic color, that you go a little bit like this and you do the favor from another side as well, so it will merge. I wait. This is vermilion. It is vermilion, and you can see. Sorry, it was vermilion, and this color was orange. You can see, I guess. Ouch, orange. Uh, you know, it is one of the cheapest colors that I have purchased from Amazon. I'm poor actually. Okay, so please do forgive me for that part. And so let's go. I should. It is France Vermilion. I guess I'm not pronouncing it quite well. Okay, so, okay, oh shit. Koina. Koina. I have not sketched for a quite long period. Yeah, I also remember that you should not make these kind of lines. So go in the flow like this. Okay, it's quite good. Uh, you know, I just messed up my own figure, I guess. Okay, so I will use yellow green. Okay, so it is yellow green. Guys, yellow green. Then I will go a little bit like this. Same goes from here to here, and the stamp green as well. Okay, now this is going quite well on a sleeve right now. Okay, so I will go. See, I guess this red and this red are exactly same. Okay, so let me try this over here as well. Okay, so this red have wait. Hell no. Hell no. Now I'm hating acrylic colors. Thank you. I have started disliking these colors. Oh my fucking goodness. I will go a little bit yellow. I guess yellow is not good as choice over here. but now I just went with yellow. So I'll throw some deep yellow over here. Oh hell no. Okay, so deep yellow is like ochre, yellow ochre. Okay, so deep yellow is similar to yellow ochre. Ochre. Okay, so now it is deep green, deep olive green. Oh, I should learn how to use these color first, and then I should go what I'm thinking about right now. Okay, so this is the shadow. Oh yeah, depth. I just forgot it, the depth. Yes. And then I will use little bit of crimson red. Oh hell no. No. I'm hitting this right now. Ah, good. Okay. Let's end this over here. I honestly don't like using acrylic colors, but after a little bit of practice and so I maybe will be good enough to teach you guys as well. The thing I hate about acrylic colors is this. No, they are destroying the behind of the page as well. Let me see one thing first. Okay, so this is a tomato. I want to see this color came back. Yep, it does. It does come back. So now what I'm thinking is I can just use acrylic color in this side, and in this I can learn about sketching and all. So yeah, maybe I'm going to do something like this from now on. So first few videos will be all about fruits and all, because I have to learn acrylic color. It maybe goes for shapes and some other figures as well, but basically it will go all about fruits and vegetables, how to color with acrylic colors and all. And I hope you will enjoy these videos that I'm going to upload. Thank you. Have a nice day.